How to change Facebook location settings. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. And then scroll down in here. Click on Settings and Privacy. And then click on Settings. In Settings, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down in your activity option, you'll find location. If you don't find it, simply search. If you still don't find the location option, go back and then hold on to the Facebook icon and click on App Info. In App Info, click on Permissions and then go to Location. Allow only while using the app. After that, go back to Facebook and you will have the option. If you still don't find the option, go back and then go to your profile, click on Edit Profile. Scroll down in here, you'll find Details, click on Add. And then you'll be able to add your current city, click on Add Current City, and then search the city, click on Save at the bottom, and you're good to go. This is how to change Facebook location settings. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for joining.